Hi folks, Marcus here at Countrywoodsmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be doing a grilled rhubarb crumble. So it's spring here at Countrywoodsmoke HQ, and I've got some wonderful rhubarb growing in the garden here behind me. You can see that. I'm going to go and grab a little bit, and we're going to make a wonderful grilled rhubarb crumble. There we go, a nice few sticks of fresh rhubarb. Love it this time of year. So, cut the first one about 3 or 4 inches. That'll do, lovely. Again, similar length and a similar length. You don't want too much of the green stuff. And then you want to place them nice and flat like this. Pop a skewer through. Pop a skewer through like that. And that is ready for the grill. So for the crunchy topping, simply toast off some granola. So a nice medium hot grill, not too hot. Place your rhubarb on the grill like that. Looking for a nice gentle caramelisation. So as you can see, these are softening up lovely now. The little thinner ones here are nice and soft now. Very gently flip them over. Looking for nice levels of caramelisation on the top. Little drizzle of honey over the top, just for a bit of sweetness extra. Lovely. Okay, so when these are nice and soft, might need a little bit of support. Take them off. Take them off. Yeah. Little sprinkle of the toasted granola over the top. And a scoop of ice cream on the side. There we go. That looks beautiful. Lovely caramelisation on the rhubarb and nice bit of crunch. This is going to be amazing. Okay, so let's have a taste of this and see how we did. So I want some of the rhubarb, some of the crunch, and some of the ice cream. Cheers. Oh, that's incredible. It really intensifies the flavour of the rhubarb, but you still get a nice sweetness from it. The honey just peps that up a little bit. But caramelising it works really well as well. This is a cracking little recipe, this, for pudding. You don't see many pudding recipes from me, but this is a good one. This is a keeper. Gonna have a little bit more. Cheers. If you like my videos, there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like my stuff. Cheers.